I've got a student with me, one of the college students, and I'm getting into work on this chair. This is not an old chair, but I want him to get an understanding. He likes woodworking and he likes doing things. We've taken the wobble out of this chair, I think now, yeah. It's a copy of a Habitat chair from the mid-80s, and it's a cheap copy, and we're looking at the way it's assembled. Why are these holes in here when they go up and down? I said, well, that's because that piece of wood can be used on that side or this side. So it's got holes on the top to screw in and it's got holes on the bottom. So there's no need for them to be handed. So that's good about it. But what we're doing is we're making, because that's got two rails down there, we're making another rail here. So I've got him to measure, you can see the masking tape there. I've got him to measure where that is and measure where this is. And I've done one and I'm showing him that. And we're planing the dowels, and I've part turned them, look. I've part turned them so that we've got a line to work to. It's 15 mil. It'll be a 15 mil dowel and it's going to go across there. And it'll make, they have rush seats. And this has got a rush seat too. And it'll just bring the two a little bit more in line, because this has got nothing. This has just got this big rail here. Whereas that one down there, look, you can hardly see that rail there. You can just see the two thin rails. So we're just going to put this one here. It'll help close that off, finish it up a bit. But he's doing a good job. He's doing well. He's using my number 4. Nice old number 4 there. Rosewood handle. And he's keeping the bench tidy. So they have these. So when you get enough shavings, fill that up, get it off the floor, and that uses, I start my fire with that. But yeah, we're having a good day. He's doing well.